going to do our little felt crossbody bag today, and I'm going to do it on the heat press. I'm going to press it on the heat press, and it is waterproof inside. So I'm going to I folded a flour sack towel to kind of even things out and to give us some padding in there. Now, of course, we're going to need to adjust our pressure. So I'm going to cover this. I'm using all matte vinyl today. Just 4. And let's see. Perfect. These little crossbody bags are so light. I love this green and teal. So I've picked up on the green. I don't really have to cover it with a release paper because there's no other vinyl exposed, but I'm just going to do it anyway. And I'll show you at the tail end of this video how you can reuse the vinyl that we cut out of the middle of this. We crafters never want to waste anything. The other thing that's so wonderful about our matte vinyl is that you can warm peel or cool peel it. I mean, this stuff is the best. And it's so easy to weave. The really fun thing is that I made the initials out of glow. How fun is that gonna be? This is for my niece. Her name is Erin Amanda Finley. Pretty name, isn't it? She's gonna have a little glow-in-the-dark bag. She's a teacher in Texas, so I think she'll have fun using this. Cooling it off with our cooling block. Some people keep this in the refrigerator. And there we go. Pretty little crossbody bag. Thanks everyone. Bye. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.